Hello, I am Alisha Malik. I have came to the screen of Shiro Vision with some new pieces of news for you. Jio 5G rollout announcement likely today. What we know so far. The 44th Reliance AGM will take place on Thursday. We expect to see a couple of big announcements from the telecom giant at the event. The most important of all being the timeline for the rollout of 5G services in the country. A few telecom players, including Jio, have got permission from DOT Department of Telecommunication to test 5G in India. Recently, Jio opened its 5G field testing in Mumbai. Reports suggest that hardware being used for Mumbai trials is developed in-house. The trials will soon expand to other cities, making us believe that the announcements will be likely happen tomorrow. Moreover, Intel also opened up about its partnership with Jio to develop 5G networking technology. It will be interesting to see how this collaboration benefits the rollout of 5G services in India. For now, let's talk about the 5G in detail. Jio has the pioneer of the 4G services in India, and we would not be surprised if the brand takes the lead even with the country's rollout of 5G services. In addition to that, Jio has also begun 5G trials in Mumbai. A report published by Qualcomm says that Jio 5G was able to achieve a speed of 1 Gbps during the trials using indigenous technology. Department of Telecommunication has allowed telecom operators to use 700 MHz, 3.5 GHz, and 26 GHz spectrums for the 5G trials. Comparing doorstep ration to pizza delivery, a vulgar joke, Delhi BJP slams Sisodiya. Delhi BJP President Adesh Gupta finished the attack Aam Aadmi Party leader Manish Sisodiya, saying comparing home delivery of pizzas with the doorstep delivery of ration for poor people is a vulgar joke. His statement came after the Delhi Deputy Chief Minister asserted the doorstep delivery of ration scheme has to be implemented, saying if people can have pizza, clothes and other consumables delivered to their homes, why can't ration be delivered to their doorstep? In a statement, the Delhi BJP president said it was a vulgar joke to compare home delivery of pizzas with that of ration for poor people. Sisodiya should know that they do not eat pizza, Gupta said. He said the claim of the Kejriwal government to deliver ration at doorstep was laughable, as it was not able to even supply ration from its stores to fair price shops. He was referring to allegations of BJP leaders that free ration meant for poor people rotted in stores and was not transported to the fair price shops. It is very unfortunate that Kejriwal, that Sisodiya show more interest in politics and issuing regular statements on ration delivery instead of providing adequate food grains to the poor people, Gupta charged. He claimed that though the Modi government has announced providing free ration to needy people till November, the Delhi government is going to stop it from July 1. Many in India still refuse to wear masks, even as experts warn of third COVID wave, finds survey. India saw the deadliest COVID-19 wave in the past few months, in which the toll went up by thousands, and yet a majority of the population refuses to wear masks. A new survey has found that mask compliance in India continues to remain low even after the lethal second wave and the warnings of a third wave. The survey by local circles has shown that 67% of respondents to the online study said there was little mask compliance in their area. The survey was conducted across 312 districts of the country and took into account over 33,000 respondents. Local circles has said in its report. The findings indicate that 67% of the citizens say there is limited mask compliance in their area, district or city. Moreover, many in the survey noted that there was far less mask compliance at the vaccination centers. Only 32% of the respondents said there was proper mask compliance at the vaccination centers they visited. The Union Health Ministry has noted that while two people without a mask have a 90% risk of catching the virus, the chances are reduced to 30% if the unaffected person is wearing a mask. Experts have time and again appealed that wearing mask is the best preventive measure one can take at a time when India is still recording a high number of COVID-19 cases. On a daily basis, new mutations of the virus become more lethal. Fourth-day firing vaccination scam in Borivali College, 6 accused arrested in Mumbai. The Borivali police on Wednesday registered a fourth FIR in connection with the vaccination fraud in Mumbai. The FIR has been lodged against the same group first arrest by Kandivali police for the conducting an authorized vaccination drive at Aditya College in Borivali for 213 people on June 3. In a statement released on June 18, Borivali's Aditya College alleged that a vaccination drive was held on its campus on June 3 by the same group that had been accused of duping a housing society in Subardhan, Kandivali. Meanwhile, Kandivali police on Wednesday arrested a sixth accused, a lady employed with Nesco COVID Center, for her alleged role in the scam. According to police, the lady is employed by Municipal Corporation Greater Mumbai on a contractual basis and she misused the ID and password of the COVID center to generate certificates. 5 accused were arrested earlier in this case. One of the accused, Dr. Manish Tripathi, who alleged provided COVID-19 vaccines which were administered to the beneficiaries, has filed for anticipatory bail at Sessions Court, which will be heard on Friday. In the pre-arrest bail plea moved before the Dindoshi Sessions Court, Dr. Tripathi stated that the main accused in the case is a private hospital. The Mumbai police is trying to protect the hospital as owners of the hospital are powerful and politically well connected, he said.
জিরো ভিশন, সবার সাথে সবার পাশে। জিরো ভিশন। জিরো ভিশন আজ কলকাতা তথা গ্রাম বাংলার পশ্চিমবঙ্গের সাধারণ মানুষের পাশে এসে দাঁড়িয়েছে। জিরো ভিশন সবার সাথে সবার পাশে। আপনারাও পারেন জিরো ভিশনের মতন সবার পাশে এসে দাঁড়াতে। আসুন না সাহায্যের হাত বাড়িয়ে দিই। আপনারা যদি সাহায্য করতে চান তলার এই নাম্বারগুলোর সাথে যোগাযোগ করতে পারেন। প্রত্যেকটাই আমাদের জিরো ভিশন সংস্থার নাম্বার। ভালো থাকুন, সুস্থ থাকুন।
That's it for today for me and my team. Thank you for watching. Please stay safe and stay at home. If you like our channel, please do subscribe, like, share and comment. Thank you.